it's going real fine on Mars. And so we ventured to some other stars. We finally found a place to have some fun. And when we heard this sound coming from the sun,